this is not an endorsement for Ally Bank whatsoever, but I must admit, a couple years ago, I did have a car finance with Ally Bank, and they gave me an extremely low interest rate, and I was really, really impressed. And kind of find out this company offers their customers so many different products, like a checking account that pays interest and a high yield savings account with an APR of 2.5%, which is very competitive rate in this market because most traditional banks are only paying like 0.001% on their savings account.
There is nothing more exciting than coming home from work, opening your mail, and noticing that you have a pre-approval for a credit card offer from Ally Bank. So, Ally Bank released three new credit cards this year, and I so happen to receive a pre-approval for one. And what I'm going to do today is actually go over all three of the cards that they just released this year. I'm going to go over all the good things and the bad things that may be. Let's talk about the benefits that come with the Everyday Rewards card. The biggest benefit is going to be the 3% cash back on purchases at gas stations, grocery stores, and drugstores. And think about it, this is where most people are spending the most money right about now because gas prices are up and so are food prices. When you're not shopping in these three categories, you are going to receive 1% cash back on all other purchases. So every time you use this card, you are going to receive some type of cash back. And there is no expiration dates and no limit to how much you can earn, which is actually a benefit because some companies, the rewards actually expire and they do put a limit onto how much you can earn. The last benefit is going to be there is no minimum to redeem. Let's talk about the perks associated with having the everyday cashback card with Ally. Number one, there are no surprise fees, meaning no over the limit fees, no return payment fees, no rate hike if you make a late payment. Most companies will charge you up to $40 for a return payment and a late payment. But that's not the case with Ally. However, you don't want to get in the habit of going over your credit limit, having return payments, and making late payments because all of these things will drag down your credit score. The second perk that comes with this card is having a peace of mind knowing you are secure, meaning zero fraud liability, around the clock fraud monitoring, lock your card instantly, and tap to pay technology. The only perk I can think of that is not associated with this card is they don't have a sign on bonus. Most companies would give you a sign on bonus of $100 or $200 when you spend $500 within the first 90 days. In order to take advantage of all the benefits and perks that is associated with the Ally Everyday Cashback MasterCard, you have to receive an invitation by mail at the moment. But this is subject to change. So once you receive the offer in the mail, not only do you want to read over the perks and the benefits of having a card, but you also want to read over the terms and conditions. Because after reading the terms and conditions associated with the card, you may decide you do not want to go through the approval process. If that's the case, then there's no need to concern yourself with responding to the mail offer. If you are satisfied with the terms and conditions and the benefits and the perks that come with having this card, now you can actually begin to apply for this card and you will receive a response in as little as 60 seconds. You're going to need your reservation number and your access code, and then you want to hit submit. Now, do keep in mind The letter is a pre-approval only. It does not mean you have been approved. They did a soft credit pull and it looks like you may be a good candidate for this card. But once they do a hard credit pull, they dive a little bit deeper into your credit history and to determine if you actually qualify for this card or not. And also, think about it. By the time they did that soft credit pull until now, when you apply and they do a hard credit pull, something may have changed within your credit history that now makes you ineligible for this card. And also, do keep in mind, a hard credit pull is going to drop your credit score somewhat. This year, Ally actually rolled out 3 new cards. So the second card I'm going to talk about is the Ally Unlimited Cashback MasterCard. With this card, you're going to get unlimited 2% cashback on every purchase. So you don't have to concern yourself with categories or which days the rewards apply. This is a simple and easy to redeem rewards card. The best part about this card is there isn't an annual fee. The third card that Ally released this year is called the Ally Platinum MasterCard. With this card, there are no rewards. However, this is a great card if you are someone who desires to improve your credit score and you want access to a bigger line of credit. And the good news is there is no need to request a credit line increase as it is done automatically upon credit line reviews. Also, cardholders can get access to a higher credit limit after 5 months of on-time payments. So be sure to pay your bill on time. Well, you know what? I'm going to say be sure to pay your bill early, even if it's just one day prior to the due date. And the reason why I encourage you to pay your bill early is because this will actually boost your credit score along with keeping a low credit balance. All 3 of these cards come with zero fraud liability, fraud monitoring, 24/7 customer service, a card lock feature, and all have a regular variable APR between 17.99% and 28.99%. Is this card right for your lifestyle? If you already have a banking experience with Ally, or if you have had one in the past like I did, and you want to deepen your relationship with them, well, Ally has so many different products available for their consumers, such as automobile loans, home mortgages, investment products, and now they have 3 different credit cards that you can choose from. I think that these credit cards are pretty decent credit cards, okay? Most of them don't come with an annual fee, with the exception of the everyday cash back. Now, with that one, you may get an annual fee up to $39, but it does state the annual fee for that card is between $0 and $39. But for the other 2 cards, there is no annual fee whatsoever. Now, the only thing that I don't like about this card, and that is it doesn't come with a welcome bonus and it does not come with a zero interest introductory rate. So I don't like that. But, you know, so far overall, I would say it is a decent card. But I have not accepted my offer, although I have one. And if you have not received an invitation in the mail, hey, you never know, you may get one. But even if you don't get an invitation in the mail, do expect more products in the future from Ally Bank. And if you have not subscribed to this channel already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that subscribe button now.